Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Chef Dawg. Today we had a special request. I didn't realize that the Chef Dawg thing was going to take off like it did. We've already, how many subscribers do we have? 198. Huh? We're getting there. We're only, what, about 10 million away from our goal? Anyway, so we had a request. So the Hardman family said, will you guys try this or show this? I said, sure. So here it is. This is the Italian sausage and beef lasagna from Costco. And I've actually had it before. It's delicious. So the instructions, we're going to cook it in the oven. It's to preheat it at 375 and then for about 55 minutes. Then you remove the cover for another 10. So that is what we're going to do. We'll see if the 55 is accurate. And then we'll take it and test it. Now I like it a little bit crispier, so when I peel it off, I'll probably cook it for a little longer. We took this right out of the freezer, so it hasn't been thawing at all, or it wasn't in the fridge, it's been in the freezer. So again, for 55 minutes, we're going to put it in, and then we're going to test this bad boy out. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to put it at 375. Click start. I'm going to put it in here on a tray. I'll wait for that to heat up. Looks like our beeper's gone off. Had it in there for 55 minutes. So let's see how it looks. Bring it close up in here. Take this off now like we're supposed to. Let me smell that. Oh, definitely smells good. Looks good too. Okay, now we're supposed to put it in for 10 more minutes. Okay, one more time. Okay, here we go. While we're waiting for our lasagna, it's about 4 minutes out. I was going to tell you a little bit about what you get in the old lasagna. Now it's 440 calories and 220 of it is fat. That is per serving, and it says there's 6 servings in here. So if you're on a diet, like a carb-free diet, this might not be the meal for you. It is definitely packed with a lot of calories, but also 25 grams of protein. So, you know, I'm gonna look at that and go, yeah, I got 25 grams in there, so, you know, I can justify it. But it is a load of food. So when you eat it, you will definitely feel full. And we're also going to be doing some garlic bread from Walmart. Sorry, Costco, but Walmart's closer, and I just ran over there to grab it so we could eat it with it. So I'll be heating that up as soon as I pull that out. All right, here we go. Let's check this bad boy out. I also put the bread in the oven. There it is. Now I'm going to let it stand or sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to taste this bad boy. For about 5 minutes, we're going to taste this bad boy. Here, come here. Can you get close to that? Look at how that looks. Okay. I'm going to try to get it out without making too big of a mess, but okay. All right. Now for the taste test. Probably gonna, we'll see. I don't know if it's boiling hot in there or not, but ooh, yeah, it's hot. Woo! And yes, it tastes delicious, just as I suspected it would. This is delicious. Oh, I can't bite into it again. I've got some people here, some special guests. We got my son Dawson. We got Ben Hess. Got my dog in the back barking. We got Sadie Hess. Come and have a sample, y'all. Come on in.
So it's hot, so I have to get some pink, I guess.
Yeah. Well, don't put it in the Okay, have a sample. Sadie's never had it before. Have you been?
I have.
Oh, Ben, huh?
No.
Okay. Give it a taste test.
Yeah, sir.
And let our viewers know what you think.
Oh, it's hot.
You like? Still really hot after sitting there for a minute?
Yeah, it's really good.
Now, I give it a score of like 1 to 10. But for the cost and the taste and all that, I'm going to give this bad boy We'll probably give this like an 8.5 again. This was one of my favorite meals at Costco, the lasagna. So thanks, Hardman's, for suggesting this. What do you guys think? What would you give it?
7.5.
7.5, okay.
I'll give it 8.
You're gonna go 8?
We're doing 8 as well.
An 8 as well. Okay. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember to subscribe and share it with everybody you know. Thanks. Bye-bye. Love you. Come back again.